Hey there, I'm Caroline, and I'm going to show you how to personalize a video to send to multiple recipients. This is a great way to connect with your audience on a personal level and stand out from the auto-generated crowd. First, you will want to open the video you want to personalize by going to My Videos, then click on the three dots to the right of the video and hit Duplicate. This will create a copy of your original video. Go ahead and give it a new title, and then open it up. Next, go to whichever slide you'd like to personalize. For my video, it's the first slide. Now I'm going to change the name by editing the text box, and then re-record that first slide. Wait for the 3, 2, 1 countdown and begin. Hi Bill, I'm Caroline, and I'm excited to share our new offerings with you. Once you're finished recording, click Stop. Once you've re-recorded that slide, the video editor will appear. You can delete the original chapter with the old name, then trim and edit your new chapter, which will appear at the end of your recording. Simply drag it to the beginning and voila! Now you can click Publish and then share your newly personalized video with the new recipient. I hope this helped you learn how to personalize your videos for multiple recipients. Check out our other Learn videos for more content like this. Happy creating!